I'm gonna do a quick video on this trailer dolly. I purchased this the other day. I want to be able to put my trailer in here and also my food truck, so I have to be able to move it around easily without attached to my truck. So these instructions are really simple. You can put this together in no time, probably 10 or 15 minutes if you got the right tools. As you can see, I got it attached here. And I like this because it's spring loaded. You can move it 180 degrees, 90 degrees. You just pull that little latch to bring it up or down and make sure it's locked into place. You see how I pull on that and I drop it to 90 degrees and make sure it clicks in place. As you can see, it clicked in place, and it adjusts real easy to go up and down. So I'm gonna pull this and give you a closer view. See how that is locked into place, and I can jack it up right here, and it jacks up really easy. So once I get it jacked up into place like I want it, and I make sure my other jack is moved up, look how easily I push this around. It's not that hard, you know. So you notice that my ATV, I don't have all the weight in the front. I kind of got it centered, the axle, so it wouldn't put too much pressure on my trailer dolly. And you can move this around real easy, and the wheels roll real smooth. So this is a 1,000-pound trailer dolly. You can get some that are bigger that has 2 wheels on it. As you can see, look how easily I move this. So I'm gonna put a link in the description if you wanna purchase one of these. And I think it's really handy to have one, especially if you wanna move your stuff around in your storage so that you can get extra room without trying to back it up with your truck. Look how easily that is. Put it into place. You see I'm tightening it up so that it don't move around. And once you're done, that's it. Like I said, it takes about maybe 20 minutes. If you're not mechanically inclined, it may take you 30 or 40 minutes, but it's worth every penny of it. You see I got everything in place. So now I can move that around, and now I can pull my food truck in here, and I can store everything in one storage instead of having 2 or 3 different locations.